What's up, people, and how's it going? And today we are here to play some Brawl Stars. And as I'm a noob at Brawl Stars and I don't play well, so that's why I've called my pro friend to join us, Aman, aka Lol King.
Hi guys, so today we are going to play some Brawl Ball.
Yep.
Not played this game for a long time.
Yeah, I literally didn't play it in the full quarantine.
Yeah.
So
Okay, we have a good third partner.
at least its character is good. We don't.
Yeah, like I'm talking about the character only.
Internet connectivity issues here. Oh, I'm getting this person. Oh no, I'm dead.
Okay, I have the ball.
Yeah, I'm coming with you. I'm coming. Oh no, you are going to die.
No.
I have the ball. Oh no, you are dead.
Yeah.
Paris, come with me. Support Paris. Oh no. Please come. Where are you?
I'm coming. Why are you coming back?
I'm not coming back. If I go there, I'll die anyway. So I thought that I'll get your. I'm shooting. Oh no. That was close. That was really close. That guy got the ball.
Yeah, they are now attacking.
I know. I'm trying to get this. I've got my super. And going with this person.
No. Yes.
Okay, I'm killing this person who is here. I'm coming with you.
Me and Paris are going for the shot.
Yeah, I'm coming. I killed this person.
Oh, they have the ball.
Oh no.
They don't have the ball.
Come on, Paris, pass.
Come on.
Come on, Paris, pass. Wow, where's this Paris going?
I'm coming, wait, I'm coming.
What is this Paris doing? What is this Paris doing, man?
Come on.
I'm respawning. What is this guy doing? He's dead.
And now he's
And I'm thankful for it, actually. Oh no, they're going to score. I'm not going to let them score. Oh no.
No.
Shit.
Come on, Paris. What are you doing?
This is all because of this Paris guy. I'm dead again.
Yeah.
We had such a good shot. He didn't pass. Oh no, they're coming.
They're coming.
I
Yes,
killed that person.
No, Paris, do not take the ball. They are winning. They will win in 13 seconds. 11.
Not if we score. Actually, we can't score.
No. Come on. Let's go. No. Oh, we lost.
We lost.
All because of Paris.
Yeah, actually, he didn't play well at all.
Yeah.
Okay, let's play more.
I'm talking about the player, not the place, okay? The place is very good.
Yeah, the place is actually very, very good.
Yeah, I think I should change the brawler.
Which one are you going to take?
I'm going to take Frank.
Yeah, Frank is actually good. You should take the people who have like more health so that they can reach the goal without dying. That's my strategy. That's why I take El Primo always. Though he doesn't have such a good range, but he has lots of health, so like he helps. And I think Frank.
He can reach to the goal.
Yeah, and I think Frank is really good. So.
Okay, we have a decent character with us, teammate.
But we don't know how well he plays. Yeah, but if he plays well, then he's good. Okay, I'm scoring. I'm scoring. Oh, score! Yes! This is a good partner. We got a good partner for like the first time. I got the. Oh no! This.
No.
Oh no! I'm dead. I'm dead.
These guys are dead.
I'm respawning. I'm back. Almost. Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, this is a good.
Oh, yes. This is really good. I think this guy will be the. No, you're the star player.
No.
Oh, but you both deserved it. I did nothing in this match.
Yeah, but you were also there.
Yeah, I
was
was
there
there.
for support.
Yeah. Okay, let's play more of these.
Yeah, our main objective is to get wins, not to lose.
Yeah, and also trying to become the star player like you or me, whoever.
Yeah.
So
So,
let's go.
the
And
third part is character is very fast. Like,
I'm
so
just
fast.
trying to gain
Then you
health
go.
because
I'm trying
I
to
don't
go
have
ahead
any
of you.
support here. I'm dying. I literally had no support.
Your partner is doing nothing because.
Yeah, he no
it
no
is
no
a
don't
good
let him score. Don't
brawler.
let him score. What? That was like a own goal or something.
I think I did that.
I don't know who did that, but that was definitely a own goal.
Yeah.
Our partner is fast, but he's not doing anything. That's another goal. That's what we call a fast lose.
Yeah.
This was so bad, man. This was bad.
We just said that we wanted to win, not to lose, and we just lost.
Oh no, man. Let's see if I should take somebody else like Bull.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm taking Bull. Barbarian
Then I'll
Bull.
take El Primo.
I like to call this skin of Bull Barbarian. Like only Barbarian, not Barbarian Bull. Barbarian.
Yeah, because of the skin.
Yeah. Like Barbarian. Go Barbarian. I'm going to call him Barbarian. Okay, we have a. I think our partner can help us.
But the opposite team has very long range brawlers, so.
Yeah, that's.
Okay, I'm ahead. I'm there, but I died. Ah.
I'm going to. No, I'm dead. I was very close to scoring.
Next time we'll go like together, okay?
Yeah.
Because we both have good health. Okay, this guy is irritating. Okay, you get the ball. I'm going ahead, trying to kill these guys. Okay. Okay, this.
There's somebody there. I mean, there's a.
Kill him. This is it.
Yeah. That was good. That was really good. That was really awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try to get the second goal. I'm taking this.
Yeah,
I'm dead.
Oh, you died. Oh, no.
They have
Okay,
the. They have the person like the 8-bit is really good.
okay. This is.
Whoa!
Yes.
That was so fast. I'm wondering who will be the star player. Oh, that guy was the star player. Well, he didn't do much.
Actually, he did. He was like.
Yeah, he was
giving
like.
health
Yeah, he
and-
was giving health and killing.
So I guess he deserved it.
Yeah, kind of. I think we should choose different brawlers each time, and that way I think we can win.
Yeah.
I have a feeling. I took Tara this time. Who are you taking?
Let's.
Or are you taking this one? You take Barbarian Bull.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just saying that I think Tara is quite good.
Yeah, she's a long range. She has a long range.
Yeah. Like I think she has a medium range. I'm not too sure, but I think she has a medium range.
Yeah, not like Colt.
Yeah. Colt is really good. The only disadvantage is
Spike.
that her health is small. She is a long range, but her damage is not so much.
Okay, Spike is irritating me.
Yeah, I hate Spike. I mean,
should have taken Spike.
I love Spike, but like if he's with the enemies, then I hate him. I shouldn't have
Yeah.
taken Tara. She's like not so good for this particular brawl ball.
Yeah, it's okay. No.
I'll take El Primo next time. You change your. Oh no! What was that? What was that? That was really bad. I got the ball. Please provide support. I'm
We
dead.
did. Okay, the other guy is going to shoot.
Next
No, he
time you should
cannot.
take Spike.
Yeah. Okay, he's coming. You can stop him.
I stopped
That
him.
was a good. Yeah, you come behind me.
I'm going behind Doctor Strange right now. And he's really good. Okay, I'm dead.
Yeah.
And I think they're coming to score.
He's coming. He's coming. And defend.
You come with me now. Let him defend this
Yeah.
time.
Okay, no, 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 no,
No, no, no, no, no, no, no. No, that can't be a goal. That can't be a... Yes. Come on, respawn. Where are you?
Still kind of win.
Yeah, they have a goal. We don't have a goal.
But let's try our best. He's coming again.
Yeah, I'm also coming. Oh no, man.
Oh,
This was a really bad one.
yeah.
I shouldn't have taken Tara.
Yeah. I should have taken Spike. I'm taking Spike.
I'm taking El Primo this time again, and you take Spike.
Yeah. So you shoot. I'll provide some like cover.
Support. Yeah, cover.
Yeah. We have to win this.
Yes.
Okay, we have Bull on our side.
I got the ball.
Nice.
Provide
Let's go.
support.
Let's do this.
I'm like really good at shooting in this game. In this. Oh no. Who is that? Yes. That was fast. That was really fast. That was awesome.
Amazing.
Yeah, literally. But who was that guy? Like the robot.
Yeah.
He was
Let's
really
go, let's
strong.
go. Oh, you died.
I'm dead.
Okay, Bull got the ball.
He's alone
He's
now.
on his own. Yeah. Okay, he's coming back.
Come on, pass the ball, you idiot. Oh, this bear. Oh no, I hate this bear.
Yeah.
I
he's
got the
very
ball.
irritating. No, wait. Let's go from here.
Yeah, I'm coming with you.
Okay, that guy is dead. This guy will soon be dead, I guess. Okay, that's all on you.
No, I'm dead.
It's fine.
Like, I was alone. Oh no, they're coming to score. We really need to stop them.
Okay.
Go behind the barbarian.
What means?
Go behind the barbarian. I'm behind the barbarian. I'm killing him. Yeah, the ball is... You can get the ball.
I got the ball.
Yeah.
No.
Oh no, we have to get this person. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm again doing the same strategy. You have to help me. Oh no, pass. The Phoenix, pass. He's not
Yes,
passing.
I slowed them down.
I'm coming with you. Phoenix,
no,
pass. What was he thinking? He should have passed.
Yeah.
I did what I could, but I think it's going to be a goal. Oh no, you're back. I didn't realize.
You're bad. No.
I'm going behind the bull. I'm going to take the ball and score.
Yeah.
I have the...
Okay, Phoenix is coming behind you.
Oh, no.
So he can...
I almost got the ball. Oh no. I tried to shoot, but I couldn't score. I think it's going to be a...
I tried to shoot.
Shoot. We have 14 seconds.
No.
I have the ball.
Nice one.
No, I don't have the ball.
Oh, he's coming back.
I did my super for nothing.
Yeah. After this...
Overtime.
It's overtime, no. Yes. It's fine. It's not fine.
Oh no! What? This is disappointing.
Very disappointing.
So should we play something else?
Yeah, we should go for showdown.
Or should we play heist?
Yeah, that's also good. We'll play that.
Yeah, I am taking Colt.
Yeah, okay.
I like heist. It's
it's
one of my favorites.
Yeah.
So I know my trick. I'm going to go from the bushes like I always do and score. You go from the other side of the bushes and hopefully they don't see me. Oh no,
I'll just try to defend from these people.
Yeah.
Because they will. Okay, I'm going to damage their safe.
I'm coming.
Oh, I died. I'll just stay there until they go.
Yeah.
I'll defend.
I'm there. Oh no.
Safe.
I'm doing damage to their safe. Internet connection problems. So are you the defender or something? Cause I'm going to use the same tactic. First I'll kill this guy.
I'm going to defend.
I'm trying to use the same tactic. till the time they go, but I think they also have a defender with them who is hidden. They have a defender who is hidden, and he's going to kill me. Yes, and he killed me.
No, no, I'm going in. I'm going. Okay, I'm damaging it.
So if you are there, then I'm like on the defend till you are there.
Okay, I died. So you get.
Oh no!
No, this-
Oh no 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 no
Okay,
no no! This was bad. You keep defending. Yeah, you keep hidden there. I like go from the
Yeah.
other side of the bushes so that they can't guess.
Yeah, the other guy with us will also go with you. I'll just try to defend.
Okay, the area is clear. Oh no! Somebody was hidden in the bushes. I didn't realize I'm dead now. Oh no! Somebody said no, no, don't do that thing again. Don't do a special.
No, 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 no.
They are
Okay,
defending
I'm trying
more.
I'm attacking now.
Yeah, we should because they are defending quite a lot. They're not
They're
attacking.
just defending.
This
They're not
this
attacking.
this guy is attacking the barrel. Not barrel, Badly.
Yeah.
I called him barrel. Daryl. Oh, that was so weird.
Okay, this safe is almost down.
Almost.
No, 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 no. I can. Oh.
We'll still win.
Yeah, we'll still win, but I want to like break it.
Okay, then I'm trying to.
Even I'm coming. No, not this guy.
I tried to, but I couldn't. But still, this is a win. I just want to see who the star player is now. I'm just shooting like victory shots. Oh, you're the star
I
player.
got-
Yeah, you're the star player. Because you did like the most damage.
Yeah.
This was good. This was really good.
Yep.
So should
So
we
let's
like,
do a last.
yeah, heist only. We should play heist.
Yeah.
So this is the last match, hoping for a win. Even if we lose,
Yes.
I'm happy because we won like quite some. We had lots of fun.
Yeah.
And please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm going in, but my health
Same.
is...
Oh no. I'm going to die.
I'm
to die.
dead.
Okay, you are dead.
I was like
I'm
waiting there
trying
to regain my health, and while I was regaining, I died. I hope this... Oh no.
Okay, I'm doing some damage.
I'm going for this Brock.
Yeah, go for him. He's
I'm
like,
going this
yeah,
other guy.
good at-
I think I should have also picked Brock.
No, he's like a sharpshooter, so like you need a very good aim.
Yeah, that's a point. Colt is quite good.
I'm
Defend.
I'm attacking.
No, yeah, because there's a...
Super, do your super. Yes. Nice one.
They are also again. Come on, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
wait,
I'm gonna finish them. Oh no. I couldn't.
Wait, I'll defend.
I'm going now. Oh, what are you doing here? I thought you were
I'll kill this guy. I was killing that guy.
I'm going to... I like the enemies who only go for offense. Because then we don't
Yeah.
have... We can keep like 2 people on defend and the one guy can go secretly.
Hmm. Okay, our safe is also like damaged a lot.
But their safe is gone. How was that?
Yes.
That was awesome. You're the star player
I
again.
got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But still, I got the victory shot, and I love
Yeah.
doing the victory shot in this heist. And
Yeah.
so let's call it a day, people. And remember to subscribe to my channel and live life king size.